Welcome back, drawing fans, and today we're going to be drawing, that's right, a Christmas Triceratops. It's so much fun and it has a little present on its back. Plus, we're going to spin the wheel of Christmas and see what other items we're going to add to this very festive Triceratops. First thing we're going to do, let's draw a number 4 on our piece of paper. I'll move mine over here just a little bit. And then we're going to draw the Triceratops eyes right there underneath the 4. Let's draw a horn here and here. And then we're going to draw another horn just like that. And we've got a good start to our Triceratops. Over here, we're going to start drawing the nose and the mouth. And we're just going to draw a line that curves down and over. And we're going to give it a little curved line for a cheek and 2 little dots for the nose. Let's make the Triceratops mouth open. So we're just going to draw a fun line like this. And let's add 2 little lines for a tongue. But remember, this is a Christmas Triceratops. So let's give this Triceratops some candy cane horns by drawing these little stripes in here like so. And then we want to color them like candy canes. And then on the protective plate here on the head, we're going to add some Christmas lights. So you're going to draw these fun little shapes like so, and then you can color those lights in any way you like. So I'll start by adding some red lights and some green and just a few yellow. We have the Christmas Triceratops head. Now let's go ahead and draw the body. I'm going to place the head over here. Now for the body, we're going to start by drawing a curved line like so. And then let's add these unfinished rectangle shapes for those legs and feet with Triceratops toenails. Then we're just going to close this shape here, like so, and draw a little line connecting those legs and feet together. And then let's add the Triceratops tail right here. Just a fun line like that. We need to draw the legs on the other side. We're just going to have a hint of those. I added some red and green toenails to my Triceratops. Let's draw the legs and feet on the other side of the body. We're just going to draw little line here, and I'm also going to add a shadowy area and another line right there, and that one I'll add some toenails and a bit of a shadow. Our Triceratops looks awesome, but I think we need to add some presents on top of its back just to give it that Christmas vibe. So I'm just going to draw a big box shape with a line here, and then we need to add a bow to the top of our box. And it's just a fun little squiggle line like so. And then color it in red. There we go. We have a Triceratops with a Christmas present on its back. And that's so awesome. But we're not done because we're going to spin the wheel and see what other things we can add to our Christmas Triceratops. So my members only art site has these wheels, these picker wheels. You can spin them, and we're going to spin this one and see what we're going to add to our character. It makes it a lot of fun to change your character, see what you can add, and we're going to have a sled. Okay, that is going to be a challenge. Awesome. So we're going to draw a sled on this. I am going to draw a line here and then just draw.
Hey, if you like this video, then you'll love Harptooniacs. It's a members-only subscription art site. Learn drawing, cartooning, animation, and digital art. No commercials, safe content, and most of all, fun! And you can try 3 free lessons today when you click on the link in the description below.
Basically a map, but I'm going to curl it up at the end to make it look somewhat like a sled. And bring this over, curl it around here, and bring it back. I'm going to draw a line over to that foot. I have this little space under the tail. I might have to add a little bit. Oh, okay, there we go. We have the start of our sled. Probably should color it red, right? A nice red Red sled. That rhymes. But I think we need some sort of a propulsion system. I mean, it could wag its little tail or big tail, but what if on the end of that tail we added some type of a rocket booster? Yeah, something crazy, something wild. You know, Christmas is all about using your imagination and coming up with fun ideas. So let's take this. I'm going to go ahead, attach it. Where do we go? I'm about to shrink it up a little bit. And then to attach it, we'll just have to draw these little lines. Whoop, whoop. I'm going to move it a little bit because I'm going to show the rocket stuff blasting. I don't want to get hit in the head with that. There we go. Nice rocket blast like so. And then to really sell it, let's add some motion lines. So just because we're adding a sled doesn't mean we can't go really crazy with it and add lots of, oh, let's have some snow flying up. Jet-propelled rocket sled. Whoa! Wah! Wah! It's going so fast. Ah! Artists, I hope you had a blast drawing this Christmas Triceratops. Hey, make sure you check out those 3 free lessons in the link below. You can go to Harptooniacs and try my members-only art site. I hope to see you there, commercial-free and lots of fun. And I'll see you in the next drawing video real soon.
Grab your pencil and your paper.
Turn on your imagination!